Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log out of Kraken wallet application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to log out of Kraken wallet, from your home page of Kraken, you'll need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up your app settings. Scroll all the way down and spot the tab that says Sign Out. Give it a tap and swipe towards the right hand side in order to sign out of Kraken wallet. Wait for a few seconds and that is how you'll be able to log out of Kraken wallet. To log in back again, you'll need to tap the sign in button, enter your credentials and log into your account right away. That is how you can easily log out of your Kraken wallet application using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.